channel. My name is Ruth. If it is your first time here, you are very welcome. I noticed that I don't do that in my vlogs. I don't introduce myself in my vlogs. So sorry for that, because I have seen too that I've got some new subscribers. So thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. My name is Ruth. This is a Christian-based channel. I do some sit-down videos so now and then. So, most of the things or everything here is based on my faith. Feel free to hit the notification button so when I post a new video, you might be notified. How are you guys doing? It's Saturday. It's been a very lazy Saturday for me because I did all my chores yesterday. Did laundry, did cleaning. I cooked. Yeah, wat wil je vertellen? Wil je ook komen? Nee. So yeah, today was a very lazy day. I went out in the morning to do something very quickly, but that was it. When I came home, it was just being in my bed. Even my husband, he was busy doing his thing, so I was just with baby the whole time. But yeah, that was it. And something excited. I don't know if you guys saw that ad passing on Facebook. I think it was Facebook because there's where I saw it most of the time about one soap, turmeric, lemon, and kojic acid mix soap. People say it works, so I've saw that thing entered my eye. I've seen it many times, and I was like, let me try it. So I now bought it, and I received it today. From the videos that I've seen, people said it works, so I was like, okay, let me try it. Because if you see my face, I've battled a lot with hyperpigmentation, pimples, spots, many things. So I want to try and use it and see what it can do for me. So yeah, I got it. I've already used it because I was so excited. I could not wait to use it. So I used it once today, but I want to use it twice a day. So I'll use it again. So maybe when I'm doing that, I'll now record that process too. Nothing serious, but I like it for what I've seen. But I'll tell you why I liked it from the first time that I used it. But I want to do something with my nails, my toenails, cause no, it needs some help. So these are the things that I'm using. All the stuffs here. I got nail polish, I got clipper, I got all these type of things. Maybe I'll do something with my fingernails too. I have some fake nails here, so I'll see. I'll see, but that's what I need to fix my toenails this night because it's not looking good. So I'll do that, and maybe I'll fix my hair. Yeah, I washed my hair. I think Monday. Yeah, Monday. I washed my hair on Monday and I didn't do anything to it. I just braided it up, put all the products inside and braided it up, and that was it. I'm done with my toenails, guys. Am I the old lady that cannot fix her toenails by herself? It's always a mess. It's always a mess. What? And if I'm doing it for someone else, it's worse. And when I'm finished, I always have to use polish remover to clean around the nail all around. Oh my god, it's such a mess. But I tried, but I cannot show you. I cannot. I cannot. I cannot come and embarrass myself. So guys, this is the soap. It came in this package. Okay, it was in the other one, but yeah, this is the main thing. Nothing serious. It looks like this. There was no, what's it called, description how to use it and or stuff inside. So yeah, that was it. So what I think is just you just rub it on your face, and then maybe rub it enough. Put enough on your face and then rinse it off. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, um, it's just turmeric soap mixed with lemon and kojic acid. That's it. There's no special name to it. Maybe a brand name or what. It's just Yeah, turmeric mixed with lemon and that type of acid inside. So yeah, that's it. So I'll use it again. As I said before, I want to use it twice a day, and I use it already when it came in. So now it's the second time that I'll use it for today. I'm looking in the my screen. I'm using it as a mirror to see what I'm doing. Yeah. So I'll keep doing this for some time with my both hands, and then yeah, I'll rinse it off. Face. One of the things that I noticed is that this soap does not dry your face off. Normally, soaps, when you use them and you finish, your face starts to feel a bit dry, but this soap does not do that. So that's a plus for me. It means it does not rip your face of the moisture. So that's very good to me. So I'll keep using it. And as I said, if I don't forget, I'll do after a week, after 1 week review or update. Yeah, of how I'm liking it so far. So yeah, I hope I can find a link down in my description box so you guys can buy it if you want to try it out too. So yeah, hello, good afternoon. We're back from church. Whew, I'm a bit tired, but yeah, but I'm sleepy. I'm very sleepy. So now we're about to eat. My husband went out to grab something quickly. So then we'll eat and zip up to my bed. You know that after church nap is the best nap you can ever have. Believe me. So I don't joke with my Sunday afternoon or Sunday after church nap. Everyone that knows me knows that I don't joke with it. I don't joke with it at all. So we're going to sleep. Baby is there. I think she's sleepy too. I already fed her. So because she cannot do it for us adults. So yeah, I already fed her. And then yeah, I'll eat. I won't wait for my husband to come. I'm very hungry. So then I'll eat. I'll start preparing everything, yeah. So when he comes, he can just join. We'll do that and then go to bed. I don't know what I'll do the rest of the day because it's quite early. Because the time is my phone. It should be around 2 o'clock by now. I think it should be around 2 o'clock or past two, something like that. So most times when I sleep, I'm awake around 5 or 6. It depends. But I'm thinking I want to make meat pies. I'll see if I'll get up to that one. Yeah, but I've been craving meat pie since. I did it one time, but I feel like I didn't do it again some months ago. I think 2 months ago. Yeah, I did it in March. Yeah, I did it in March when my husband's on my husband's birthday. I did it, so I'll do it again this time. But I hope I get to it today, or maybe it will be morning or tomorrow or other day in the week. I'll see. Okay, that's it. Did you guys went to church today? Don't skip your Sunday services. It's very important. It's very important. Don't miss it. If you have a church around that you can join it. If it's you have the confidence that it is a good church, a Christ depending, a Christ believing church. Join the church. Yeah, you'll be very good. That fellowship of brothers and sisters is very good for your spiritual growth. Yeah. So do that. If you didn't go this week, make it as a priority for next week Sunday. Yeah, join a church. Hey guys, today is Wednesday. Yeah, a few days. I didn't vlog these past days. Yeah, today is Wednesday. How are you guys doing? So, update on the soap. I said I would do an update after a week, but yeah, I thought let me just talk about it now already because I like the soap. Oh, the soap is good. It's doing very well. I've noticed the difference from the very first day, as I said. And yeah, it's doing its thing. And I'll keep using it. I'll maybe next week I'll buy a new. Okay, I saw that they had. You could buy a package of three of thing. Yeah, of three. Set of three. So maybe I'll do that because I like it, and I'll keep using it. Most time these things you need to keep using them to see the result at its best. So yeah, that's what I want to do. But yeah, I like it so far. And besides that, I have this. This is a a juicer or a blender. I bought it on Temu, and believe me, guys, this thing is very good. It's very handy. As you can see, so this is it. This is a bigger can to put it in a bigger cup, and then you have a smaller one, and it comes with this lid to close it. So this fits this small one and the bigger cup. So that's the blender. I bought it on Temu. I saw it and I said, let me just buy it. And it is very good, especially with my baby. I make these small things for her to eat, like with vegetables, fruit, and also. So then normally I would use my bigger blender, but this makes it more convenient because I can just do a smaller portion in this. I don't have to use the bigger one per se. So what you'll do is that you'll just fill this with your fruits. It has some marks of what, yeah, the amount of what you want to put inside. So you can use it for vegetables. You can use it for fruits. You fill it up. You need to make sure that you need to make sure that you cut your fruits or your vegetables a bit smaller, and then you add some water inside. Most times I fill my water to half of the cup, and then you bring this on top of it and close it because if you cannot turn this one upside down, so you have to bring this the machine part on top of it, close it. You close it, and then you turn it. It would be better if I had fruit inside, but yeah, I just used it, so yeah. So you then turn it back upside down, and then you press. Oh, you can hear. It is it, yeah. So you then press this button, and then it starts mixing. It does a very good. It stays longer actually, but I think because it's empty, it stops at some point. But normally, when you press it, it will stop until you press this button again to stop it. So it's very good, guys. I would recommend it, especially if you just want to do something quick, or for mothers that have babies and you want to make these small mixes for them. This is a very good option. I like it very well. I bought it on Temu, and I'll put the link to this thing in the description box. So make sure you get it if you need it because it's very good for me. Yeah, I guess I'll end this vlog here too. There's other vlog I want to do or the sit down video, but that would be a team haul. Not with this because I bought this thing some while ago. I think longer than a month. But I ordered some other things that needs to come either tomorrow or Friday, and then I'll do a team haul of the things that I bought. So I'll end this particular vlog. This one I'll end it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next